Good morning and welcome to the homestead.
Morning, guys.
Cold one this morning.
It is a little chilly.
Yeah.
But it's like late morning.
Yeah, it's very late morning. We were waiting for the sun to warm things up a little bit. But as you guys can see behind us, we have one beam set.
Yeah.
And I'll link somewhere to that video. That was a premiere. So very excited.
Yeah.
But I have gone over to the sawmill and I have milled up all of the rest of our beams. We have them all loaded in the truck. They're over here, and I have already cut all of the ends so that the butted ends are all squared up.
Yeah, so that when we go to match them up, they're nice and straight.
They're nice and straight. So that leaves getting these beams up.
Yeah.
Oh, one other thing that I forgot that I did that we couldn't do in the last video. I got the right screws, guys.
Yes.
I got the right screws. I got the right shims. I think we're going to be totally set. The plan today is to get the other 3 beams up, get them squared off, get them raised up and leveled so that they're level across all 4 beams, and get them set in place and actually get them anchored into our anchors and attached to our sonotubes. This one's gonna go my end over there, this side.
Your end over where?
My end over there, this side down. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these 10-footers in here and make sure everything looks the way we want it to be before I actually start putting some glue in. All right, that doesn't look too bad. Everything is sitting in the brackets nicely. I mean, we're gonna have to level them up to each other, but that doesn't look too shabby. All right, let's keep going. Okay, I got my two 16-footers split open. What I'm gonna do is lay some glue in here, just like the other one, guys. I put a mark at 6 feet. This is gonna match the mark. There's a mark down the other end, and put those two together. Then put 10-footers on each opposite end, and that gives us a total of 26 feet. Something just like that. And then I'll drive a screw through it. How's that feel? Can you squeeze them together like that?
Is there already glue on it?
Yes, there's glue on it. That looks like it needs to go down a little bit. Then let it come up. All right, come up. All right, go down. Sorry. Right there. All right, let's take this one and see if we can get it out onto here. All right, ready? Come towards me and down. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
It's the other side.
Whoop.
It's not.
Where's the bit? Uh-oh. Right here. Literally in the crap. Here. Take this out. Put this in my pocket. Put the bit in here so it's locked in. All right, ready?
Do we have another one?
Yeah, that's what I went and got. It's right over there. Oh, hang on. Okay. Go ahead, zap it together. Can you go a little more? There we go. Would it be easier if you turned it sideways? You know what I mean? So your hand's not like that.
Well, maybe.
Those are the 3 beams. You've seen we had some battery trouble with our impact. So this one is not fully screwed together, but it is screwed enough so it's all pulled in. We're going to put the battery on the charger. We're going to break out the laser level, and we're going to see if we can't get these up and level to each other. That beam needs to come up. Oh, there we go. Just by a touch. Okay, we're here at the first beam. The first beam at that end is the highest point. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this one to level, and then we're going to level all the rest of them up to this. I have these synthetic shims that I found at the lumber store, and this is what I'm going to use. So it's a composite. Hold on, I should be able to go a big chunk of the way in. Was Rocco in the way? He wants to participate. Sorry guys. Let me show you what I got. All right, you can see I got my shims at both sides on both sides of the beam. Now this end of the beam is level with that end. All I'm going to do is slip a couple shims in the middle to hold it up so it doesn't bow, and then we're going to move on down the line. Well, good morning guys. It's the next day. I ran out of shims. I had to go back to the lumberyard first thing this morning, get some more shims, but we only have those back 2 to level up. So I'm gonna set up the laser level and we're gonna finish this project off. All right, guys, now my beams are all level to each other. All I got to do is secure them to my brackets, and then we'll be ready to start laying floor joists on top of them. All right, guys, all of our beams are level across, level to each other. They're all secured to the strong tie brackets, which are anchored to our sonotubes. So this is ready. This is my level platform. Now we'll lay out our floor joists, get that down, and move forward with subfloor and getting this house built. Thanks a lot for joining us, guys. We really hope that you stick around and follow our journey. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.